English conversation topics for adults. Travel experiences. Ask about their favorite travel destinations, experiences, or future travel plans. Hobbies and interests. Ask what they like to do in their free time, such as sports, reading, cooking, or music. Career and work. Ask about their job, what they do, and how they got into it. Family and relationships. Ask about their family members, their children, or significant other. Current events. Ask about their opinions on recent news and events, such as politics, entertainment, or sports. Food and drink. Ask about their favorite cuisine, restaurants, or drinks. Culture and arts. Ask about their favorite movies, TV shows, books, or music artists. Health and wellness. Ask about their fitness routines, diet, or health goals. Technology and gadgets. Ask about their favorite devices, apps, or software. Personal growth. Ask about their personal goals, challenges, or accomplishments. Philosophy and spirituality. Ask about their beliefs, values, or philosophy of life. Sports and exercise. Ask about their favorite sports teams or exercise routines. Fashion and style. Ask about their favorite fashion brands, styles, or trends. Travel tips and advice. Share your own travel tips or ask for recommendations on places to visit. Education and learning. Ask about their educational background or interests in learning new things. Social issues. Ask about their thoughts on social justice, equality, or activism. Music and concerts. Ask about their favorite music genres or concerts they've attended. Creativity and art. Ask about their artistic interests, hobbies, or talents. Environment and sustainability. Ask about their opinions on environmental issues and sustainable living. Personal stories and experiences. Share personal stories and experiences or ask them to share theirs. Travel and adventure. Ask about their most adventurous or memorable travel experiences. Movies and TV shows. Ask about their favorite movies or TV shows and why they love them. Entrepreneurship and business. Ask about their business ventures, startups, or career goals. Literature and books. Ask about their favorite books or authors and discuss literature. Cultural differences. Discuss cultural differences, customs, and traditions from around the world. Personal development. Discuss ways to improve personal growth, self-improvement, or self-help. Technology and innovation. Discuss new technologies, inventions, or innovations that fascinate you. Food and cooking. Share recipes, talk about cooking techniques, or discuss food cultures and cuisines. Health and wellness trends. Discuss trends and popular practices in health and wellness. Outdoor activities. Discuss outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, or fishing.